In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I combine these three amazing ingredients to grow hair. Okay, here I have my fenugreek seed, and I just added my neem powder, and I'll be going in with my clove seed. Okay, I add each one of them just a tablespoon, and I'll be adding boiled water. Okay, if you're new here, hello, thank you for clicking to watch this video. In this channel, I upload hair growth videos using amazing ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. Okay, herbs that will help you grow your hair. Yeah, so I just added boiled water. Okay, and I'm going to cover this up. I'll let this sit for about 12 to 24 hours, after which you can use it for your hair spray to grow your hair like crazy, help you grow your hair. Clove is very amazing. Also, we have our neem powder, which is very amazing. And the third one is fenugreek seed, which is very amazing. So the next thing I'll do, this is after about 1 day. Okay, this is just the next day, and what I want to do is I'm going to be pouring this, okay, sieving it out. I'll be sieving it out with the cheesecloth that you are seeing there. Okay, yeah, so I'll pour it. You can just, I would have just done it like this, then I wouldn't have done it double sieving it twice. Okay, so doing it like this, you have to sieve it twice because I don't want to lose the ingredients. Okay, that is why I had to do it this way. Okay, so I'll be sieving it twice. Okay, I just made a mess here.
I beg you, make it always time. I bring it to your notice.
So guys, I'll be sieving it the second time so that I can get a very clear hair growth spray. Okay, I don't want particles in it, so that is why I'm doing it the second time. All right, if you're new here, thank you for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and help me to share. Let me tell you some of the benefits of these ingredients that we are using here. Okay, first of all, let's talk about the benefit of neem powder. Neem powder is very amazing. It helps to cure dandruff, it prevents lice. Okay, it promotes hair growth, reduce hair fall, controls scalp itchiness. Okay, it also controls it helps your hair to stay conditioned. It is very amazing when it comes to scalp health. It helps you to fight against frizz. It strengthens your hair, it strengthens your hair follicles, it improves your hair texture. Neem is very amazing when it comes to hair growth, guys. I'm going to be showing you how I apply this on my hair. I'm going to be spraying it all over my scalp like so. As I do, I will tell you some of the benefits of clove. Clove is very amazing. It helps to control hair loss, fight against hair loss, premature graying. It treats dandruff, eliminates dandruff. It gives you shiny hair. It is so amazing. It strengthens the hair, it adds shine to the hair. It also improves blood circulation. It gives you healthier scalp. It stimulates your hair follicles. It is so amazing.
Rachel styling, you know what's up. You get the style, you know. Rachel style, Rachel style.
So after I finish spraying the hair growth spray, I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner to help my hair stay moisturized, because you know clove tends to dry the hair. So let me tell you some of the benefits of fenugreek seed. It also promotes hair growth, it fights against dandruff, it treats hair loss, it boosts your scalp circulation, it helps your hair to stay conditioned, it also fights against premature graying, it suits your scalp. Okay, it reduces hair breakage. It is so amazing when it comes to hair growth. It is so amazing. It also stimulates your hair growth and strengthens your hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this my amazing shea butter that I made. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Do well to watch it if you've not watched it. So I'm going to apply this all over my hair. Don't forget to subscribe if you watch up to this point. Give the video a thumbs up. I want to say a very big thank you if you have actually watched up to this point. Thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to be trying this out. Okay, I appreciate you if you watch up to this point. I will see you in my next video, in my next hair growth video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Ciao ciao ciao.